Hi students, MCQ number 12. A metal rod of length 2 meter has cross-sectional areas 2A and A as shown in the figure. So the left side cross-section area is 2A, the right side area of cross-section is capital A. The ends are maintained at temperatures 100 degrees Celsius and 70 degrees Celsius. So this is end A of the rod which is maintained at 100 degrees Celsius. And this is end B of the rod which is maintained at 70 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature at the middle point is C, that is theta degrees Celsius, has to be determined. So this is based on the concept of thermal conductivity of a metal. Now the quantity of heat flowing per second from A to C I will take, okay, A to C. This must be equal to the quantity of heat flowing per second from C to B. Okay. So from A to C, what is the rate of flow of heat must be equal to thermal conductivity K into, here 2A is the area of cross section on the left hand side. So into 2A into delta T, 100 minus theta. So this is 100 minus theta divided by the length of the portion AC is equal to 1 meter, and this is equal to Q by T from the point C to B. Okay, C to B. But material is the same, therefore thermal conductivity is K into area of cross section is A here. So this is A into delta T is theta minus 70. So this is theta minus 70 divided by the length of the portion CB is also equal to 1 meter. So now this K and K get cancelled, this A and A get cancelled, 1 and 1 get cancelled. So left hand side is 2 into 100 minus theta. So 2 into 100 minus theta must be equal to theta minus 70. So this is theta minus 70. So open the bracket, 2 into 100, 200 minus 2 theta must be equal to theta minus 70. Now this 200 I will retain, minus 70 I will bring it to the left, it will become plus 70. This is equal to theta plus 2 theta. So 3 theta must be equal to 270 and theta must be equal to 270 divided by 3, that is equal to 90. Therefore what should be the value of theta at the point C must be equal to 90 degree Celsius. So which of the option is correct? Option B is the right answer. Therefore option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.